Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will show you how to make bread, step by step. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need about 3 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 cup of warm water, 2 1/4 teaspoons of active dry yeast, and 1 teaspoon of salt. It's crucial to proof your yeast in the warm water for 5 to 10 minutes to ensure it's active and ready to work its magic. Precise measurements are key for a perfect loaf every time. Now, let's get our hands a little messy. In a large bowl, combine your dry ingredients. Then, gradually add the proofed yeast mixture, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Turn the dough out onto a lightly floured surface and begin kneading. This process, lasting about 10 to 15 minutes, is vital for developing gluten, which gives bread its structure. You'll know it's ready when it feels smooth and elastic. After kneading, it's time for the first rise. Place your dough in a lightly oiled bowl, cover it, and let it rest in a warm spot for about 1 to 2 hours or until it has doubled in size. This allows the yeast to work its magic, creating air pockets. Once risen, gently punch down the dough to release the air, then shape it into your preferred loaf. You can make a round boule or a classic rectangular loaf. Almost there. Now, let your shaped loaf undergo a second rise, often called proofing, for another 30 to 60 minutes. Meanwhile, preheat your oven to a hot 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Once the bread has risen again, it's ready for the oven. Bake for approximately 30 to 40 minutes, or until the crust is a beautiful golden brown and the internal temperature reaches 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.